Hey guys, it's Jonathan here from Daddy Guitar Lessons, and we're going to start learning some power chords for the electric guitarists out there. So power chords are mainly used with electric guitar on distortion, I'm pretty sure everyone has heard it before. You can play it on acoustic, it just sounds so much better on electric guitar. And the first chord we're going to use and learn is chord A. So you're going to take your first finger on the 6th string on the 5th fret, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you press down. Take finger number 3 on the 7th fret on the 5th string, the A string, press down. Now right under number 3, take number 4, right underneath it, on the 4th string, the D string, and press down. Now that's an A, but you want to mute the rest of the strings. You want to mute them. I mute them with my finger number 1, so I press and just keep it there. So it's muted, so it sounds something like this. So keep on learning that chord. Click subscribe, hit the bell, follow on Instagram, and keep on learning.